This video shows the fitting of the closed Archimedean screw. The main working part is the screw itself with no centre but with a shell on the outside. The outlet tower is in two parts to make it easier to print. That is just a second. Like that. Then the idler wheels fit in. A little notch there to take the end of the axle rods. The inlet tower has some gearing in the base, comprising a bevel gear and belt wheel. So it is assembled. Axle pin. The belt wheel goes into the side there. You must remember to put the belt in. Fits in there, and then this bracket slides on like that, and is fastened with two screws. When the ones fit on. Next section for the drive to the actual screw has a hex rod, a belt wheel, bevel gear and a spacer between them. So goes in stiffly. And an axle rod which runs through like that. And that sits this way around to the bracket with the belt drive to the actual screw. So if we take the actual screw and thread the belt round on it, that will sit like that. The first stage is to add the inlet hopper, and to do that we need to thread the belt onto the 1 RPM shaft. So we need to slacken off the motor and ease the shaft out. Back in, and first thing is to fix the motor back down. hopper it in its slot, which will then pull against the tension of the belt. Tighten that down, like that. And then take the outlet tower, put that into position and screw that down. Right, now we come to the main part, which needs the axle needs to go in the hole in the bearing below. Which again is tricky. Last stage is to put this bracket on, and the axle hole needs to go over the axle there, which you can hopefully just see. And then the bracket needs to be held down, so you need to hold that down firmly against the tension of the belt, whilst simultaneously trying to lift the model to get the screws in. Fully installed, everything's fastened. The end of the screw should be flush with the inside face of the outlet hopper. Now we can power up and check everything is working. Now just drop the ball bearing into the top of there to make sure it runs through, and pull it into the close screw and just check that it comes out. Okay. So all's working well.